Good morning, student. Today we will continue with the 3.3 exercise, problem number 2. What is given in the problem question number 2? Find the value of x, y, z from the diagram given, and it is a parallelogram they are telling. Okay. So A, B, C, D, I have taken the first problem. X, Y, Z, that is marked in the diagram. I have given name for A, B, C, D. So we want to find the value of x, y and z. One angle, B angle, they are given as 100. So ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram condition is what? Opposite angles are equal. A is equal to C and B equal to D. So angle A equal to C and B equal to D. We know angle B is D. Therefore angle D will be equal to 100. Angle B equal to 100 degree. Then D is also 100 degree. One part is over. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. And you see, ABCD is a parallelogram, AB and CD are parallel, AD is a transversal. When you study in parallel lines, AD is a transversal. That means what? Z plus of Y will be equal to 180 degree. That means interior angle will be 180 degree. Or this side, if you are taking B plus C equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle B is 100. Angle C will be what? B plus C equal to 100. Angle C equal to 180 minus of angle B. Already angle B we know 100 degree. So 180 minus of 100 equal to angle C equal to 80 degree. And C is the opposite angle of A. Therefore, angle C equal to 80 degree means angle A also 80 degree. Angle Y equal to 100 degree means D is also 100 degree. Angle Z equal to 80 degree means C also and 80 degree, because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. That is your first question. Same thing in the second question. You see, one diagram is given, one parallelogram, one line is produced, PQ is produced to T. I have given name PQRS. They are asking what is this X value, Y value and the Z value. We know S and Q are opposite angles. So S is RQP and angle S are opposite angle. So S is 50 degree means angle RQP will be 50 degree. So this is 50 degree. And once again PS is parallel to QR. PS is parallel to QR. So that means what? PQ is a transversal. This is transversal. So angle P plus of Q. Angle P plus of Q equal to 180 degree. We know P is X and Q is 50. Therefore, P equal to 180 minus of Q angle, that is 180 minus of 50, P equal to 130. So this angle, X angle will be 130. And once again you see PQRS is a parallelogram, second condition. P equal to R, P and Q are opposite angle. So P equal to 130 means R also will be equal to 130. That means Y angle equal to 130. Therefore, P equal to X degree, that is 130, R equal to Y degree, that is 130, and RQT, that is Z angle, that is equal to 130. That is extra RZQT, that is also 130. Okay. How? 180 minus of 50, because a linear pair of angle. Okay. That is second question. Third question, you see, one figure is given, parallelogram figure AB, BC, CD. AB and CD are parallel, BC and AD are parallel. In that, what are the data given? This angle is 90 degree symbol is given, angle AOB, and COD is the opposite angle. That angle is X they are given, that will be also 90 degree. And here one angle is given as 30 degree, one angle D angle is given as Y degree. We have to find XY. So in the figure AOB equal to 90 degree. In the figure I have given the name AOB 90 degree. And COD is a vertical opposite angle, so that is also 90 degree. This is 90 means X also will be 90. So X degree equal to 90 degree. Then in the triangle COD, this triangle you take it, COD. What is happening? Angle C equal to 30, angle COD equal to 90. And what will be the D angle CDO? So 180 minus of 30 plus of 90. So 30 plus of 90 is 120. And if you are minusing 180 minus 120, you will get 60 degree. Therefore, CDO, that is Y angle equal to 60 degree. Okay. That is your third problem. Fourth problem, you take it as a homework. Okay. Third question, can a quadrilateral ABCD be is a parallelogram? They are asking. So ABCD, I have drawn one quadrilateral. Let us check what is the first condition. Angle D plus B equal to 180. Angle D and B, they are telling 180 degree. Is it possible in a quadrilateral? Opposite angle will be equal in a parallelogram. So it is not a parallelogram. ABCD is not a parallelogram. Suppose B and D, here it is coming. Instead of A, B is coming. Here D is there, means one side interior angle is 180, means then will be chance. So your answer will be, it can be but need not to be a parallelogram, because suppose B and D coming in same side, it will be interior angle will be 180, so it is possible. But here as per our figure, A, B, C, D and B are opposite angle. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, so this is invalid. It can be but not be a parallelogram. Okay. Second thing, AB equal to CD equal to 8 centimeter, and AD and BC, AD is 4 centimeter, BC is 4.4 centimeter. So is it possible that it is a parallelogram? No. Opposite side as per AB and CD are 8 they are given. Okay, it is parallel, equal. AD 4 centimeter they are given, but BC they are given 4.4 centimeter. So it is not valid. So no, ABCD is not a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So it is not a parallelogram. Third condition, you see, angle A equal to 70 and angle C equal to 65. Is it possible in a parallelogram? A and C are opposite angle. So opposite angle in a parallelogram means it should be equal. So since opposite angles are equal in parallelogram, ABCD is not a parallelogram. Because A and C should be equal. Then only it is a parallelogram. So opposite angles are not equal. So they are not a parallelogram. ABCD is not a parallelogram. That is your third question. Fourth question, they are asking, is there is any quadrilateral that is opposite angles are equal? Opposite angles are equal. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral which is opposite angles are equal. The only one possibility is kite is not a parallelogram. It's not a parallelogram, but opposite angles are equal. It is not a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral, but opposite sides are equal, but it is not a parallelogram. Sides are not parallel. So angle A equal to angle C. In kite it is possible. So kite is the answer for this question. It is not a parallelogram, but it is a quadrilateral with opposite angles are equal. That is your fourth question. In fifth question, what they are saying, ABCD is a parallelogram. A angle and D angle are in the ratio 3:2. A angle and the adjacent angle, that means adjacent angle A and D, one above the other is called the adjacent angle. The adjacent angle A and D in our figure is 3:2 ratio. Find the other angle also they are asking. So we know angle C, angle B, angle A, angle D is how many degree they are asking. We will take it as it is given in the ratio. Let us take x is the total part of the angle. So A is 3 part of x, D is 2 part of x. Both are adjacent angle. So it is a parallelogram. A, B and C, D are parallelogram and A and D are adjacent angle. That means A and D are interior angle. So if you add A and D are the interior angle in between the parallel line, AB and CD. Therefore, angle A plus D equal to 180 degree. What is A? 3x plus 2x. D is 2x. 3x plus 2x equal to 180. So total 5x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 upon 5. 3 times, 6 times. So 36 degree is the x value. Now you see what will be the A value then. A is 3 times of x. So 3 into 36, 108 degree. D is 2 times of x, 336, that is 72 degree. So angle C is opposite to A and it is equal. So it is also 108 degree. Angle B is opposite to D. So it is also equal. That is equal to 72 degree. That is fifth question. Sixth question. What is given there? Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Then find the measures of each angle. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD, and A and D are adjacent angle. Two adjacent angle I am taking. x and x, they are telling these two are equal. So one is x means other one is x. So it is interior angle in between a parallel line. So angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree, x plus of x equal to 180 degree, and 2x equal to 180 degree. The x equal to 180 upon 2, so 90 degree. The x is 90 degree means this is also 90 degree. And we know in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. A opposite is C, so A is 90 means C is also 90, and D is 90. Opposite angle is B, so D is 90 means B is also 90. So all are equal angles. So up to this one today we will complete, and tomorrow we will continue in our next class. Thank you.